Today, you're going to hear about deception, betrayal, and downright disbelief in the banking industry. Picture in your mind for a moment a young woman, about 35 years old, a school teacher, a devoted single mother of two. Imagine what it feels like to raise a child by yourself. My client Michelle would tell you it's hard work, it's exhausting, and it's financially draining. Here's where her story begins. Join me as I share my computer screen with you. My computer screen, and in front of it you'll see a PDF from Scotiabank. This is the renewal document that Michelle received from Scotiabank, and the date here at the top, as you can see, is April 20th, 2016. And if you go to the middle of the screen here, you'll notice that it says your Scotiabank mortgage is up for renewal on May 25th. So that's all great. So they're sending her this renewal document. Let's look at this one paragraph in particular right over here, and I'm going to read it with you. Thank you for choosing Scotiabank for your mortgage. Your mortgage is coming up for renewal, and this is a good time to review our wide range of mortgage options and features available at competitive rates. That's right, right here. It says competitive rates. Now let's go to page 2 of this mortgage document. You'll see at the top here, it's basically showing Michelle what her current situation is. She's in a 4-year fixed at 2.99 that's coming up for renewal. Not a bad rate. She pays bi-weekly. Once again, it expires or comes up for maturity on May 25th. But let's go down to this renewal document option here. These are the fixed interest rate renewal options that Scotiabank is offering their client after being with them for 4 years and making every single payment. This is the same client, single mother of 2, working hard to take care of her kids, little financially stressed. They're rewarding this client. Let me show you how they're rewarding them. They're saying to her, Michelle, thanks for being with Scotiabank for 4 years. Thanks for supporting us. We're going to offer you a renewal rate of 4.49 for 5 years, which carries with it a payment bi-weekly of $609.41. Now, let me stop you for a moment. I ended up renewing this client's document. I took her away from Scotia. I moved her to another lender. And the difference between what Scotiabank was offering her and the bi-weekly payment I got her, my payment for her was $119 less every 2 weeks. That's right, $119 less every 2 weeks. That's $3,094 a year, or on a 5-year term, that's a savings of $15,470. So basically, Scotiabank, if she had signed this document, this mortgage document, and she had chosen this 5-year fixed rate, Scotiabank would have been stealing $15,470 of her money. Now, if you go to the right here, you can see how easy they make it for their clients to renew. They've got the little boxes on the side here. As you can see, initial your choice right here. Really simple. All you have to do is initial. And then I don't have page 3, but you go to page 3 and 4 and you just sign and you send it back in, and presto, you've just renewed your document. You've renewed your mortgage with rates that are terrible. And this is how the banks reward their customers. What kind of business can last with this philosophy? None. But wait, the banks do. And you know the sad part about it? 80% of the people that have mortgages with the top big 5 banks, when they get this mortgage renewal document, they do exactly what the bank wants them to do. They simply initial their choice here, sign it, and send it in. And guess what? You're throwing away your money to the bank. Let's go back live. So I think you'll agree with me. I don't need to tell you, because I think it's probably crystal clear. The banks do not, I repeat, do not have your best interest at heart. In fact, the only interest they have is a high interest rate, that they fully expect you will gladly accept, because that's what 80% of people do. Don't do it. Next time you or someone you care about receives a mortgage renewal document in the mail, take out your phone, dial 604-273-2002,
My service is free and it'll save you a ton of cash. As usual, make it a great day and we'll talk to you soon.